Hi friends, welcome to 3334 Wellman Road. This is an incredible split-level farmhouse. And before we go through the entire house, I need to mention one really cool aspect of it. Aside from the 10 acres, the sitting up on a hill, this house has been designed to be capable to hold 2 families. 3 bedrooms up here, another 2 downstairs, and in the kitchen, they've designed it so that this closet is big enough to hold a full-size washer and dryer. So you wouldn't even need to leave the main level in order to do your laundry. Now, while we're in the kitchen, I want to point out too that this is kind of a combination of an old country kitchen and a sleek modern kitchen. They have the butcher's block island, really gorgeous granite. Now, while we're in the living room, I want to point out that this has a wood-burning stove here, and once we go down to the basement, you'll see that there's a place for a second wood-burning stove. So you could heat this house almost entirely with just wood. Now, down this way is 2 full bathrooms and 3 bedrooms. This is our main bathroom. This is the bathroom that your family and the guests are going to use. Each bedroom also has some very, very large closet space. This one actually has 2 huge closets. You'll see that equal size closets in the other 2 bedrooms. Let's go this way. I'm here. Bedroom number 2. So in this bedroom, the owner had a brilliant idea. If somebody wanted the typical master with 2 huge closets, they could take this wallet off and give all of this closet space to the master bedroom, which is just on the other side of the wall. As we go into the master bedroom, what you'll notice is there's right now a very big closet here, but they've also converted this second closet space into a powder area. So you have a double vanity here, literally split in the middle, 2 vanities, along with your master bathroom, which has a tub shower combination. It's a really spacious bathroom. Hi friends, welcome to the basement. Now this basement is huge. You could have 40 people down here and still, I'd probably be comfortable, right? Depends on your definition of comfort. If you like, anyway, 40 people down here. Now this is the area where you could have a second wood-burning stove. Obviously it was built for that. That's why the bricks are here. This is a chimney space that kicks out the side of the house. There's also 2 bedrooms down in this area. But before we take a look at those, you should notice you already have a gorgeous, wonderful fireplace right here. Now, like I said, there are 2 bedrooms down here. The first one is skinny and narrow. It's the perfect size for a kiddo's room. So this is our second bedroom. As we go out of here, you'll notice that we're going back through the main living area, and then through here is a second kitchen, the laundry for the house, which could be second laundry if you chose to put laundry upstairs. There's a pole there. All right, here's the second kitchen. Plenty of space to put a dining room table. They've included some extra cabinets that you can use as a buffet, or if this is your main laundry area, this could just be a laundry room, and you could use this as a folding table. Down here, there's an extra bathroom, an extra full bathroom, so there's a shower in here too. And then this is all of your utilities, your boiler, hot water heater, water softener, and electrical panel. All right, we're in the garage now, and it is massive. I am so envious of this garage. It has 2 huge car stalls, plenty of workshop space. Water lines already run out here for all of your cleaning and washing. And this garage is huge, but there is also storage above us. So we're going to go check that out, and then we'll take a quick look at the outside, and then we'll let you go. Hey friends, so you're just coming through the kitchen. You're joining me to just quickly take a look at how much storage you have over the garage. I love this part of the house. We hope that this virtual walkthrough was a benefit to you as you consider whether this house is the right option for you, and we look forward to having you over for an in-person showing shortly. Thanks so much.